guys, welcome back to SPB Creative. Hope you all are doing great. Today I'm gonna talk about 5 matte lipsticks which is gonna suit dusky skin tone really well. I'm also gonna give a mini review of all these 5 matte lipsticks, and also one more thing is that it is like really affordable. All of these lipsticks are under 350 bucks, and that only one lipstick is for like 350. All other 4 lipsticks are like under 200. So without any delay, let's get started. The very first matte lipstick which I'm gonna talk about is this Color Essence Intense Longwear Liquid Lip Color in the shade Rose Petal. That is like LLC6. So you guys can see I have worn it right now, and I will also show you guys the swatch of it. It is like really bright pink shade which is gonna suit all skin tones really well, and it is also gonna suit dusky skin tone like me. If you want to wear it as it is, it would be like really bold pink lipstick. If not, we can take a little bit of this product and dab it to our lips, and that will be like really subtle pink, like my lips but better shade. So I really like to use it in that way as well. Now about the packaging, it is like really unique. Unlike other liquid lipstick for that matter, of any lipsticks, it is like really unique, and also it is like really sleek. We can easily throw it in our bag and carry it. It's really travel friendly. It doesn't leak or break or anything like that, so it is very good in packaging. Now I put the price, it's retails for 350 bucks, and it is like quite reasonable, especially when we consider for the quantity it gives, because it's like 8 ml of product, and also we can always get it for good discount from Amazon. I actually got it from Ika, I guess, for like 315. Now when I checked the price, it was actually retailing for 290 in Amazon. So guys want to check it out, please, you can. It's in a good discount right now. Texture of this liquid lipstick is like really creamy, but one thing I noticed is that it takes really a good amount of time to dry. 3 to 5 minutes it would take, which is like really a long time. But then once it is dried, it's like quite set. It is not sticky at all. It's like really good, and also it stays on for almost like 5 to 6 hours. But if you are having a meal, it just fades on from inside. But even if it like fades out, it just leaves a nice tint of color to lips, which is like really good. Definitely the con is like it is very drying to lips, especially after 2 hours. We really feel that it tugs and pulls our lips. But then I would suggest you guys always exfoliate your lips really well, and also use a nice balm underneath, not just before applying this lipstick, but maybe like half an hour before, so that your lips are like really moisturized within. Altogether, it's like really good liquid lipstick for the price we pay, and the color does suit dusky skin tone really well. Next matte lipstick I'm gonna talk about is this Blue Heaven Non-Transfer Lip Color in the shade Raspberry Love, which retails for 205, and we get 2.8 ml of product. I will just show you guys the swatch. Like nice reddish pinkish shade, which is like, I think is like really good. I think it is like a universal shade and does suit dusky skin tone also really well. Packaging is like really nice. It's sturdy and very travel friendly. Actually, it has got a cap, transparent cap, which I don't know, it just fell off from my hands. I really couldn't find it. Texture of this lipstick is really nice, really creamy, and sets onto our lips like really fast. I think the lipstick just dries out within 40 or 50 seconds, which is like really good. And once it is set, it is like set. It doesn't transfer at all, which is like really good. And also it is not sticky to lips. It is like very comfortable to lips. Of course, since it is like matte liquid lipstick, it is like slightly drying, but compared to any other matte lipsticks or any other matte liquid lipstick, it is like way better. It does stay for almost 8 to 9 hours. After that, it just fades off from within. Altogether, this is like very good matte liquid lipstick. The only con I find is that it is not easily available in like offline stores, but then it is like very much available in online stores. So I will highly suggest you guys, please check this lipstick out. It is like worth for the money. It's like amazing. Next lipstick I'm gonna show you guys is again from Blue Heaven, which is like Splash Lip Color in the shade Plum Desire. I'll just show you guys the swatch. swatch. This is the swatch. As you guys can see, it is like nice nude lipstick which has got a movie undertone to it, so it does suit dusky skin tone really well. Actually it retails for $250, but then you can always get for good discount from Amazon. I actually got it for like $160 from Amazon, which I think is a very good steal. It's like super matte, and it is not sticky at all. It does last for like quite good time, like 4 to 5 hours. After that it does fade off, doesn't leave any stain or transfer proof. It does transfer a bit but not a lot, and I think they have got a wide variety of shades. This is like really perfect nude for, I think it's like really difficult to get a nude shade for dusky skin tone, but I think that this is like really good. Major plus point is that it doesn't wash out. It is not that drying to lips, but then we have to definitely apply a lip balm underneath. Overall it is like a really nice matte lipstick. You guys should definitely try it out. Next matte lipstick I'm gonna show you guys is a Lakme Enriched Lip Crayon in the shade Cinnamon Brown. It retails for $185 for 2.2 gram of product. It's a nudie brown shade with a slight mauvey undertones to it. I'll just show you guys right now. So if you guys can see, these both shades look similar, but Lakme Lip Crayon is like true nude brown which has got slight mauvey undertones to it, but this Blue Heaven shade has got more of color to it, so that's the difference. Even though these two colors are like similar, I'm still showing you guys this lipstick. That's because both of these formulation is completely different. It is like of a creamy matte finish and like very comfortable on lips, but then it stays only for 2 hours, not more than that. If you are someone who doesn't like to wear bright lipstick, you can definitely go ahead and use this. I actually have pigmented lips, so it doesn't show up a lot on my lips, but then I really like this lipstick. That's because it's really easy to apply and it's really comfortable on lips. It's not at all drying, so if we are like going out for like 1 or 2 hours, I think this is like very good option. And not just that, if you want to reapply, it's not a big deal. We don't even need to have a mirror, we just can apply as it is. Texture of this lip crayon is really good, and pigmentation wise I would say that we need to apply 2 to 3 swipes so as to get the opaque shade. And then since it is like really comfortable on lips, it's not at all heavy and very light, we can apply it very easily to our lips. So I would highly suggest you guys, please give it a try. It's really good. Liquid lipstick I'm gonna show you guys is this Gala of London Long Stay Lip Color in the shade Twig. It retails for $170. As you guys can see, it's a really nice burnt orange shade. I'll just swatch it over here. It's really pigmented. Within one swipe you get the exact color. If you want, you can go over once more and you get the really opaque shade. It's like really amazing for dusky skin tone. It's really nice wearable burnt orange shade, which is like really amazing. I really love its shade. On for like 4 to 5 hours. After that it just fades off, but then it is like super drying on lips and really powdery matte, but then I feel that it is like little bit sticky to our lips. For the price we pay, this is like a really good option. This is a really nice shade. It does last for like 4 to 5 hours, which is like time, and he suggests all the dusky skin tone to try it out. I really hope you guys must have enjoyed watching this. If so, give this video a big thumbs up as well as subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. See you very soon. Till then, it's bye.